You're driving late at night. Music's on. Instead of a dark, boring cabin, your interior comes alive. Soft neon lines flowing across the dash, doors glowing in sync with the beat. Suddenly, your car feels 10 years newer. And here's the crazy part. Over 70% of new car buyers say they want better, customizable interior lighting, but most cars still don't offer it. So today, we're fixing that. We're breaking down the top 6 best interior ambient light kits you can buy on Amazon right now. From dead simple USB plug-and-play kits to full-on dream color, multi-zone, professional installs. We'll answer the real question: do you actually need those complex 12-volt setups? Or are the easy kits good enough? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which kit fits your car, your skill level, and your vibe. All the links are in the description. Let's light this list up. Number 6. MIFEIHONGE Acrylic Interior Ambient Light Kit 10-in-1. Kicking things off. At number 6 is the MIFEIHONGE 10-in-1. And this is where ambient lighting starts to feel serious. The big upgrade here is the acrylic light guide design, which creates that clean, factory-style glow that looks like the light is coming from inside the trim, not stuck on top of it. That alone puts it miles ahead of basic adhesive LED strips. With 10 lighting zones, you get full dashboard coverage, all 4 doors, and footwell lighting. Far more immersive than the basic 5-in-1 kits, though still short of the full cabin takeover you'll see with the 18-in-1 Bphuny at number 1. This kit also supports dream color effects, meaning colors don't just change, they flow, chase, and blend dynamically. That instantly separates it from static RGB kits like Jushope and Keepsmile. Powered by a 12-volt system, brightness is strong enough to be visible even at dusk, something USB kits simply can't do. The downside? Installation. This is not plug and play. You'll be pulling trim, routing, wires, and carefully tucking acrylic strips. It takes time and patience. Control is excellent though. App, RF remote, and physical button, plus a responsive music mode that actually tracks rhythm, not just bass. Bottom line, if you want a premium look without going all the way to the most extreme kit, MIFEIHONGE hits the sweet spot. Is dream color worth the extra install time? Drop your take in the comments. Number 5. Qasim Store Interior LED Strip Lights 5 meters / 16 feet USB. At number 5, we swing hard in the opposite direction. The Qasim Store Kit is all about simplicity. You get one long 5-meter fiber optic strip powered by a 5-volt USB connection. No fuse box, no trim removal. Just plug it in and tuck it into the dash gap. That makes it the easiest install on this entire list, perfect for beginners, renters, or anyone who wants zero commitment. But there's no getting around the trade-off: brightness. This is a nighttime-only glow. Compared to 12-volt kits like MIFEIHONGE or TEKSHINNY, it's subtle, almost invisible during the day. Coverage is also limited. One strip means you're decorating, not transforming the cabin. No independent door or footwell zones like the higher-tier kits. Controls are basic but functional. App plus button, static colors, simple sound modes, but no dream color effects. Still, for the price and ease, this is the perfect gateway kit. Would you trade brightness for zero install stress? Let me know. Number 4. TEKSHINNY Acrylic Interior LED Lights 6-in-1. Number 4 is the TEKSHINNY 6-in-1, and this is where brightness really steps up. Running on 12 volts, this kit delivers strong, daytime visible lighting, something USB kits simply can't touch. Unlike pure fiber kits, TEKSHINNY uses acrylic diffusers, which means smoother light, with fewer hotspots and a more uniform glow across each strip. Coverage includes the dash and 4 doors, solid, but not as expansive as the 10-in-1 MIFEIHONGE or the 18-in-1 Bphuny. You still get Dreamcolor effects, flowing gradients, and dynamic animations, though the app isn't quite as polished as the top-tier system. Installation is the biggest hurdle here. Acrylic strips require deeper trim gaps and careful routing, making this more demanding than fiber-based kits. If your priority is brightness and visual quality, and you're comfortable doing real DIY work, TEKSHINNY is a strong mid-tier pick. Number 3. Jushope Interior LED Strip Lights, 5-in-1. Taking third place is the Jushope 5-in-1, a smart compromise kit. You get multi-zone lighting, dash plus 4 doors, powered by a 5-volt USB system, which means no hardwiring and far less installation stress. Compared to the single-strip Qasim kit, this feels far more immersive. But compared to 12-volt systems, brightness is still limited to nighttime use. The fiber optic design is easy to install, but does introduce hotspots and dimming toward the end of the strip, something acrylic kits handle better. You get solid app control and standard RGB modes. But again, no Dreamcolor chasing effects, which keeps it behind MIFEIHONGE and Bphuny. This is a great choice for someone who wants more coverage without electrical work. So what matters more to you? More zones or more brightness? Number 2. Keepsmile Interior LED Strip Lights, 5-in-1. At number 2 is the Keepsmile 5-in-1, and this is arguably the best version of the USB-powered category. The standout feature here is length, a massive 7 meters of fiber, giving you more flexibility than Jushope for larger cabins or cleaner routing. Installation is still completely plug-and-play, and the Keepsmile app is generally more stable than other budget kits. Brightness is the same story. Subtle, nighttime-only glow. And like other USB kits, there's no Dreamcolor support. But for casual drivers who want easy install, clean lines, and full dash and door coverage, Keepsmile absolutely delivers. If you mostly drive at night, does brightness even matter? Curious what you think. Number 1. Bphuny Dreamcolor Acrylic Ambient Light Kit, 18-in-1. And at number 1, no surprises, the Bphuny 18-in-1. This is the no-compromise king. 18 lighting zones, dash, doors, footwells, door handles, storage pockets. Everything lights up. This is the closest you'll get to a true factory luxury ambient system. With 593 LEDs running on 9 to 12 volts, brightness is on another level. It completely outclasses every USB kit and even edges out TEKSHINNY and MIFEIHONGE. The Dreamcolor system here is next level. 213 dynamic modes, multicolor gradients, flowing effects across independent zones. It's not even close. But let's be honest, installation is brutal. This is a 5+ hour job, full trim removal, fuse box wiring, not beginner-friendly in any way. If you're experienced, patient, and want the absolute best result possible, this is it. So the question is simple. Is the ultimate luxury look worth the effort? Outrow/CTA rewritten. So that's the full breakdown. From easy USB kits like Qasim and Keepsmile to full-scale Dreamcolor systems like MIFEIHONGE, TEKSHINNY, and the monster Bphuny 18-in-1, There's a setup here for every budget and skill level. Quick rule of thumb, easy reversible install. Go 5 volts USB maximum brightness and effects. Go 12 volts dream color. Which kit would you run in your car? Drop a comment. I read every single one. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more car accessory breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.